Hello folks, welcome to a brand new video of Mr. Pi. If this triangle has an area of 8 units, then what is the area of this triangle? Pause the video and try for a 7, 3, 2, 1. We have this question from the Instagram channel Garrick LM, so do follow them there. So now let's begin, obviously by naming the points A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, G. Yes, now what we have here is that AB is equal to BC and angle EBC is equal to 90 degrees. So let's begin by the obvious construction. Let's draw a perpendicular from the line G to the opposite line, that is, let's name it as H. Now if you assume AEB to be theta, then as this point divides into equal lines, then these two triangles will be symmetrical, triangle AEB and triangle BCD. So this angle will also be theta. And if we imagine an imaginary parallel line, so this side of the angle will be theta, this side of the angle will be theta, so automatically this whole angle will be equal to 2 theta. Okay, and this angle is also theta by geometry. Okay, now what we have to try is we have to prove that AEB and BCF are similars. If this is theta, then this is also theta by geometry. This side is perpendicular to BC, this is square, and the remaining angle will automatically equal. So that means these two triangles are equal, sorry, the similar. And if we assume BF to be x, so EB will be equal to 2x, because we are using the concept of similarity, because these two triangles are in the proportion of 1:2. So if this is x, then the other will be 2x. Now what we can do is we will find the value of tan theta. For it, let's write it as tan theta is equal to perpendicular AB upon base AE. Here AB, let's, if we assume AB to be x, then AE would be 2x, because it's midpoint and it is exactly double. So we'll get x upon 2x equals to 1 by 2. Now let's try to find tan to theta. So tan to theta will have a value of 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is multiple angle formula, you must know it. So 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 is 4, 3, 2 to cancel out, so 4 1 is 4 minus 1 3. This will get a value of 4 by 3. So tan to theta have a value of 4 by 3. Now what we can do is we can find the value of GH. For it we will use a basic formula, that is GH is equal to BE into tan theta plus tan to theta upon 1 minus tan theta into tan to theta. Okay, so now we will use this. So BE right here is equal to 2x, tan theta equals to 1 by 2 plus 4 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. So 3 is 3 1 is 3, 4 is 8, 8, 3 1 is 3, 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 11, so we'll get 11 upon 6, 3 to the 6 4, 6 1 is a 6 minus 4 2, that is 2 by 6, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 4 2, 3 to the 6. Okay, so we get, well, we have made a small mistake here. We must multiply in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. So if we do this, then we will get 4 8 8, that is 8 by 11, 8 by 11 x. So if x we have assumed to be BF, so GH upon BF is equal to 8 by 11, that is we can write it as BF is to GH equals to 11 is to 8. Now we have found that BF, that is BF is to GH is equal to 11 is to 8. So this line is also perpendicular as already proved by the construction. So if we have this ratio, then we can use it to find the ratios of these areas. So BF is the altitude of triangle FEB. So triangle FEB is to GH is of BGE, that is B triangle BGE equals to 11 is to 8. BGE, okay, BGE has 8. So as already I mentioned that in the question we have given that this BG has area of 8, so that means these two are direct simple ratios, we have no any other factors to cut down. So FEB, this whole area is automatically 11. So this has total area of 11, this is 8, so the area, remaining area will be 11 minus 8, which is equal to 3 units. So this area right here is equal to 3 units. Thank you.